That's my bias.
YouTube, what up? I think we live now. Let me check it on my phone and see if we live. We about to pull up Euro JPY and we about to pull up GBP USD and we about to pull up some more stuff too. So we'll see what's good, YouTube. Let's see if I'm really live. I'm checking my phone right now. I think I'm live, but am I live? You know, let's check it out. Go to youtube.com/musicking. And oh yeah, it says I'm live. Music King. Oh yeah, I was watching myself. Okay, we're lit. All right, cool. So Miss Kiki said, let's look at Euro JPY. Let's look at that. Euro JPY. So, what broker are you trading with, Miss Kiki?
I'm with Athens Markets right now.
Athens Markets?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that one going so far?
I like it. I like it. The spreads are not as bad as because I was with KOT before. And the spreads are not as crazy as KOT.
Wow.
The commissions are blessed.
Okay.
And they don't look like the crazy dumb shit that you see KOT like pull. Like, yeah, so.
Oh, you said like what now?
They don't do the like crazy stuff that you see sometimes KOT does, like kick you out of trades and stuff like that and make you think you're crazy.
Right, right. Well, you know, every broker, some of that stuff tends to happen all the time, you know. That's just how it is. All right, so what's your analysis on Euro JPY?
I see it I see it selling off the rest of the week.
Okay.
That's my bias on it.
Okay. I see how that could make sense. Like it's kind of playing in this channel right here for right now. Now we're gonna see if is it gonna pop out of this channel. Like see how this is a nice channel right here. Like it's
Yeah.
is it gonna break out of this channel? And so right now it's near breaking out. So it's like shit. I would try to sell. I would try to sell it right now, almost. You know. I like to look for entries on the 15-minute time frame. What's up, Will?
What's going on, my brother?
Chilling, man. What pairs you looking at?
I'm sorry.
So what pairs you looking at?
Oh man, I was just joining in. I was actually looking at NAS a little earlier.
Okay, we definitely gonna get to that.
Yeah, let me get my earbuds and everything in.
All right, so if I'm selling, so Euro JPY, I like to go over here and get my little ruler so I can see how many pips the stop loss is, right? So let me turn on my indicators. The perfect time to sell would have been like up in here. Let me refresh this page real quick too. See if I can see my indicators again. All right.
I've highlighted it.
All right, back to your JPY. I forgot what they say. Like Nas, is it NZD JPY, Euro JPY? One of them they say like runs with Nas. I forgot.
Let's see.
All right, so the high is only about 15, less than 20 pips away from the high, right? So if I was gonna sell this, and it looks like it could sell right now, I'll give it a 50 to 60 pip stop loss. Like you got to give it some room sometimes. That's just the way I like to trade. You feel me? Sometimes you put your stop loss too tight on the Forex pair, it's gonna tap it. You feel me?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah.
but other traders might trade different. Like if they so my stop loss will be around like it's at 143.3 right now. My stop loss will be about 143.8. So I'm gonna actually type it out and all that kind of stuff. But some traders trade on smaller time frames. Like some people trade on the real close time frames. Depends on them, and then they would probably know what session it moves in the most. Like I guess it moves in Asian session. You feel me? It probably moves in London session a lot more though. I would
Yeah.
imagine.
It's a lot more in London session. Sometimes the moves those starts in Asian. So sometimes, like if you're not looking at it in Asian session, you'll kind of miss the start of the move. But
Right.
London session is mainly the time when it gives you like the complete move or the bigger moves.
So that's my stop loss. Whatever. Just a little tool. I'm actually type this out. I'm sending it to my Telegram or something. Sending to the VIP chat for sure. Let's see how far could it drop. What's your take profit on this? Anybody got to take profit on this? It could drop low as hell if it really drop.
Hold on, I'm checking what my TP is.
Like this could potentially be like a 300 pip or more move if it do drop eventually.
Yeah, if you look on like the higher time frame, you'll see that like it can like really drop.
I'm sorry. What you looking at?
This is Euro JPY.
Okay.
So and it's testing this channel. Like, look, if you look here on the higher time frame, like she said, like it's kind of at the high. Usually around this area, it drops lowest low. So this is a potential swing trade. Like it may not drop right now, but this, when you get into trading it, then it could come down to on a daily, it could drop a lot. On daily, it could come down to almost 130. Why not try to swing that? The worst that could happen is you're gonna get stopped out in profit.
Yeah.
This is a trade where you just run a lot of small lots, or demo trade it. See how it works out for you. You know what I'm saying? But if we going deeper on here, like man, we saying it can go to 130. Let me get my notepad out here, man, guys. So we're gonna do.
I just have it. My last DPS to 140,400 though. I'm not trying to like go any further.
You said 144 what?
400 even around that area.
144.
Yeah.
So you're selling? Hold on.
Yeah.
You said 144.
Yeah.
But we're selling
140,400. So like
oh
the 400.
140.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got you.
Yeah. Yeah. Because we're at 143 right now.
Right.
Yeah.
Lost this.
144.
Keep in mind it's going to take a while to get down that low, but I'm kind of swinging it. So
Yeah. That's a good trading setup. I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys. I'm a little inebriated right now. I've been celebrating today. You know what I'm saying?
It's a good thing.
All right. So yeah, stop loss is gonna be 143.8.
yeah.
143.8.
Yeah. And we're currently at 143.2.
You said 143.8.
Yep. And so our first take profit would be 143 for like about 20 pips. 143.0. Then we could take it down to 142. You could go 8 or let's go to 142.7. Then let's go 142.4. Right, 142.4 is right above this little blue thing right here. So, and in this time frame, in the 15-minute time frame, it could easily go down to 140 flat, 139 point. Yeah, about 140 point. Yeah, look, see the low is 139.5 or 139.6. The low down here, so it could easily hit that low again. You get what I'm saying, guys? Like the low is down here. It's in
Yeah,
the 15-minute time frame. This is where I mostly
that's what I'm
trade.
saying. That's why I said I'm not taking it any lower than that. But yeah,
Right. Okay. Right on. Right on with that one. That's like a perfect trade. Yep. 140.4. It's above these highs. And so let me give y'all like a couple more take profits. So 142. Then it's coming in this area. Like how anybody could do this on their own. Let's see, it's like a little support around 141.7, 141.6. Let's go there. 141.8. We'll go 7. If it hits all that, then we'll go 141.0. So you,
141.
you would anticipate like that it may not hit these other TPs, right? It may not hit these TPs right here. It might only hit these 1 or 2. And so you got to know to move your stop loss and profit once you know what I'm saying. Take profits hit just in case it might keep going, but it might knock you out. But it's just a chance you take. You feel what I'm saying? And sometimes you want to make you got to think about like, all right, what if I put a take profit in for all these trades and this shit hit stop loss and the stop loss is 50 pips? Like, damn, I'm gonna lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, that's 6 different take profits. I'm gonna lose money on all those. So maybe use smaller lots or some shit for the farther take profits or something. You gotta just evaluate that on your own account. You feel me? Or shit, if this trade look like it's starting to go bullish and it's not starting going to go bearish, then you might have to just know that have the savvy to say, I gotta get the fuck out this trade. It's starting to go the other way. It popped that channel that we was looking at earlier, and I gotta get out this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I'm also logged on youtube.com/Muzic King. I'm about to put that shit in the Telegram. And everybody will be able to rewatch this shit. And the Zoom call might go out. If the Zoom call go out, I'll still be live on YouTube. Y'all can go rewatch it. I'm gonna definitely go over like if the Zoom call go out for everybody in VIP, I'm gonna just drop the link again. But you could just watch this shit on fucking YouTube, rewind it, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, let me try to send this right now too. So everybody either like put this in your real account or just put it in your demo account real quick. Let's just see how the trade play out. Put it in your demo account. You know what I'm saying? And let's see if this shit hit or not. You feel me? Some people that are better traders than me might say, I'm gonna wait for a better entry, or this might be the good entry. Just you know what I'm saying. I'll trade off the 15-minute. If it go with me, cool. If it don't, it go. I'm like a 15-minute, 5-minute type of guy. And then when I'm really looking at the shit for real, I'm making that last decision. I'm using my MetaTrader 4 screen on my phone. And with that, what I'm doing is, if it especially with indices, I'm looking to see like shit. Do it really look good before I press this button and risk my real money? I got my RSI on there. I got my parabolic ZAR and shit. That's really it. You feel me? Some people got some other shit, but I just use my RSI, my parabolic ZAR on MT4 on my phone before I actually enter the trade. But that's mostly for trading indices and gold, shit like that. No cap. Forex pairs, it's kind of good. Like it don't move that fast. Like it do, it don't, whatever. So I'm about to enter this trade. I feel cool about it. Like I'm not gonna enter no trade that I wouldn't risk my shit on.
You say first TP is 143.2.
143.0. And remember, as the legend Forrest Ty says, man, when in profit trailing, stop it. You feel what I'm saying? When in profit trailing, stop it, guys. You feel me? So if this shit goes into profit, shit, if you got some nice blue, take that shit. Fuck them TPs. You know what I'm saying? As a
Right.
session change, this shit might shoot up and give you a better entry. You feel me? Like we just thinking like, damn, we trying to low key swing sell this shit right here. You know what I'm saying? And then as a trader, you could just evaluate that in your mind, like, all right, what's our analysis like? Man, I'm low key trying to swing sell Euro JPY. So you're gonna keep looking at it, looking at price. Even if it's in your demo account, you're gonna see like, okay, I'm seeing where this shit is going. And then say if this shit rise higher, then you're gonna say, am I breaking out on the buy on that shit now? Or shit, do I get a better sell entry? You feel me? And then remember, it's just basics, man. Buy low, sell high. You feel me? Buy low, sell high. So right now it's high, so that's why we're trying to sell it.
I think it's ready to go yet.
You say you don't think it's ready to go?
No, I think we're gonna get up to at least
Yeah, they're going trading
350.
Everyone's passing trades off and everyone's
Yep, we all on here live. We all just trading. Clark,
I
what's
think
going
it
on?
can go up to I think it can go up to 0.4. 0.4
On 3.4, do you think
at
it could
least.
revisit that high again?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I think so. Look at all the JPY is pushing up.
You said
AJ,
Okay.
AJ is pushing up. GJ is pushing up. EJ is pushing up. It is going up. So it may revisit that supply. That's a supply zone.
Hell
If
yeah,
it does
GJ look like they want to push up. So the homie. Oh yeah, well, I'm blue on my screen though, y'all. If you enter, like she might be right. It might be pushing up, but shit, I might just only get the 20 pips I'm looking for. I may not get the 50 pips to 100 pips. It might give me 20 pips and push up. Hopefully, at least give me 20 pips to hit my take profit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know. But then there's another zone above, like he said, could go up a little bit more. So let's see how it respect that zone, 0.40, and see if it's going to go above or it's just going to reject.
What time frame do you like to trade off of?
Oh, I was looking at 5, 10, 15,
okay,
an hour, and 40 and 45. They're all at that supply zone for now. So
I'm looking to around about 350, 360. I think it's gonna turn around.
Yeah, so that 40, if the 40, can push up a little bit more, then comes back. Who knows? But at least to that 0.40 and see how it plays out, because that's the supply zone. It's gonna try to go up there. Yeah. Well, I'm just waiting. We'll see. I don't know.
330 right now, almost 330 right now. So I'm looking at about 360. I don't think it's gonna get to 4, but it might. I'm looking around 360. It's gonna start falling.
So my analysis on GJ, man, shit. This as far as how I like to trade, it ain't time for me to get in on this shit yet. Like it looked like it could buy up, but it's an order block right here that want to push it down. Like so, it might want to buy up and smack this, or it might want to buy up and just really shoot up out of here. Like she talking about, like it might want to just get ghost bullish. And so for me, I like to buy low. Like if I'm risky, I can get in and I'll try to take a buy position and take it up if you really know your candles and you're really betting on it. But for me to buy GJ,
But it doesn't look bullish to me though, because it's not really breaking any of those highs really.
yeah, it looked like it might want to sell.
Yes.
I don't know if you Yeah, like if anything, like say if okay, so here's my analysis on GJ. Now when I look on the hour time frame, I see it a little bit better what I like to do. So if I look back on the hour time frame, we can see boom around this level is where it likes to sell. If we look in recent past times, if we look like it's selling here, like right at the same price. I look way back in January 9th, it got to the same pricing and it stalled out, consolidated, dropped a little bit, and boom, it dropped. Like, how many pips is this? From 161 to what's that, like 500 pips or some shit? Then it pulled up 500 pips. Then it dropped again. You know? So then it stalled out. So I'm looking at like between this price and the high, I should be looking to sell GJ. So I'm gonna put that shit in here, man, because the homie said, "Look at GJ for me." I don't know if he live or not. He said, "Look at GJ." So this is terrible looking, but whatever.
Yo,
JPY is one of the weakest right now.
Looking at currency meters.
Yeah, currency meter. It was, now it's keep on changing, but it's weaker than GPB. So.
yo, I'm in a UJ sell right now.
Oh, okay.
I had a sell limit. That shit activated.
He's selling UJ, y'all. She just said that JPY has a weak currency meter. So for everybody that's tapping on YouTube and shit, it'll start clicking as you start trading what that all means. I'm so high, I can't explain it to y'all.
Yeah.
This, you know, if you trade, you'll start figuring it out. See,
I got people
here in the room with me, and they don't even trade. They're just like, damn, y'all all trading? I'm like, yeah. Yep, UJ, yep, look like they want to sell 2 in an hour. And if you know, I like to trade off the 15-minute, but like, you know, if you look on that hour or that 4 hour, it give you that deeper clarity about what's really going on, you know? Yeah. And it's so we know, like if I'm looking at UJ, I just know if it breaks, if it gets to whatever that is right there, it gets about this point. What is that? One. Yeah, it's testing. Yeah, I'm just my analysis is I'm trying to sell UJ all day. It's too motherfucking high right now. Until that shit drop, I'm trying to sell that shit. Look, that's my analysis. Like, you know, on the hour, like 135. The closer it keep trying to push to 135, I'm gonna keep trying to sell it. You know, I'm trying to pull some music up. My Apple Music is tripping.
Yeah, that shit flushed up today. It made some new.
You said it made some new highs.
Yeah.
And shit, basic highs and lows will let you know.
Yeah, I sold around 133.7.
$133.7. Oh, okay, you nice in it then. That PPP, you know, saying this and that bear reversals on.
Oh shit.
You know, up there, you know, that's it. So I'm setting like a motherfucking alert, right? Here's just some trading shit. After this, I'm about to start getting to the indices real quick, y'all. That PPP right here, right? Boom. Once this shit cross 134.6. I'm gonna start looking to sell UJ if you ever get that high. So this is how you set an alert, people. Crossing 134.6. Look to sell. To sell UJ. I'm just gonna say UJ. Look to sell. It's gonna email me. It's gonna hit me. You know. So hanging out with y'all today is actually gonna make me some more money. And then when price gets to there, it's gonna send an alert to my phone. I'll come back, I look at it, look at the indicators, and I'll see if I really want to sell it. Because it's already telling me, man, if it start getting up there, this shit is getting high. You know, it might get up here and it might be already cooking and pushing, and I may not sell it, but I'll be like, okay, I'm looking to sell. And right now, it may not even get there. It might drop right now for all the sellers that's in right now. It might drop and just pay the sellers out real nice.
I hope so.
I say the sellers gonna eat to like at least 133.5. Y'all got that coming. Y'all got 20 more pips coming at least, probably. Not way more.
I hope it drops because I'm in the sell too. So I want it
on
to
UJ?
drop. Yeah.
All right. What other pairs y'all looking at? Oh, let me go to gold.
GU.
GU. All right, I'm gonna do GU. Then I'm gonna go to gold. And I already told y'all about Nas. It looked like it want to sell, but let me look at that shit for real. A lot of movement going on. GU
Yeah, Nas
on the bottom
today. Man, Nas just took off today. That's crazy.
So I see like in New York section when it's moving bullish, what you gotta try to do is you gotta look at the 5-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, and try to find an entry. Use the indicator to try to find an entry to ride that shit, and just hopefully you get a good entry where it don't leak you out too many pips, or you don't get down 500 pips, 700 pips. You get what I'm saying? Hopefully you get a good entry where you can ride that shit up and clock 2, 3, 4, 5 or more 100 pips. Sometimes in that situation, if you see 200 pips, 300 pips, you guys like, I might have to take this 3 or take partials.
Hell yeah.
Have you ever gone over US30 and Jerk 30? Or I'll do that next too after I do Nas or whatever. I'll do US30, Jerk 30, gold, all that. Like I say, if the Zoom link goes off, I'll drop it again, y'all. Because I'm definitely gonna cover indices. That's what I trade.
Yeah, I got up early today and I fell asleep after that shit took off.
So he's got a harmonic pattern over here pushing GU up around the low. And it's about 60 pips from the low. So that's far though. If you trade, that's why I'm gonna tell you I kind of stay more away from GU and JG sometimes, because that shit moves so rapidly. Like like a 50 pip stop loss or 60 pip stop loss don't really be enough like that all the time for that. So I personally I don't trade those as much or whatever unless it looks really good. I always do analysis, but I'm just keeping it 1,000 with you. I don't trade GU and JG that much just because it moves so big, and it's just like, damn. Oh yeah, my Zoom will end in 10 minutes. Okay. I don't trade it that much. But I'm gonna go back to GU real quick. I'm gonna go over everything in 10 minutes. Let's see if we can do that. So on the 15-minute, GU could be selling. It's bought up. I mean, overall, my analysis on GU is probably bullish though. But just like shit, if I was gonna buy GU, like I'm not gonna. I don't fuck with GU unless it's really high or really low. Me personally, how I trade is like I feel scary about GU, right? On how it moves, so I only would have got in GU if I could have got an entry around here. If I couldn't get my entry I want, nah, I'm good. If it come back down here, I might look to get an entry or some shit. But it's already done took off, so I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna fuck with it like that. Especially what time it is. Another 2 hours is gonna be like German session, and it's gonna be London. All right, so let's look at Jerk 30 real quick. I'm about to go through everything fast. Jerk 30 looks bearish. Definitely right now look like you could sell Jerk 30 if it's open. Is it open right now, Miss Gifty? I don't know, but look like you could sell Jerk 30 for sure. Looks very bearish. It's at a high. It's at a super high right now. You know, also you should check the news and everything like that. But Jerk 30 looks like a sell, y'all. Like shit, right now you could probably sell Jerk 30. Fuck it. Yeah, hell yeah. Let me type that out for y'all. Jerk 30 sell. Stop loss. 15. You can do 15,620 stop loss if you want. But shit, I'll get that shit a little bit more, like 15,6. I'm gonna give you 15,660. 640. That's a lot. A tighter stop, I'm gonna give you a super tighter stop would be 15,610. And then shit. I don't know. Do I even gotta send that to y'all? Fuck it, y'all see it on YouTube. Y'all see Jerk 30. Sell that shit. When profit trying to stop it. Let's go to gold. Alright, gold look like it might want to buy or some shit. It's a little tricky spot right now though. The high is 1870 and the low is 1830. Like fuck. That's gold moving like a motherfucker. Fuck. Alright, you know, shit.
Yeah, gold from 1960. Like, goddamn.
Yeah, like this bitch moving.
Overall, I'm bearish on gold, as I had said in the chat. Like, if you check back how gold moved, every time it gets up to the 1800s and or even when it got up to almost 2000, it like plummeted back down to 1600. And you see those nice triple bottoms down in the 1600s? I know it's going to get it. It might take like a month or so, but overall, it's not going to make no more higher highs until it goes back down that side.
So that's some good info. So based on what you just told me, every time gold get high as shit, I'm gonna try to swing sell that shit.
Yeah.
See, like it's about to buy up now, though.
Yep.
Oh yeah, short term, yeah.
I'll look for a position around like 1835, 1836 or lower before I try to get into a buy. If it take off without me, it take off without me. I don't worry about that shit. I'll be looking for a good position where I don't feel tricky. Unless I want to sit and try to scalp on my phone, I'll be looking like, man, let me wait till gold get around 1835. So let me type that right now.
I wouldn't do anything with it right now until it goes back down. Like do a little retracement back down in that area.
Oh, I don't trade gold. I'm just looking at it, you know.
Right.
But no, I don't trade gold.
I trade it. It's nice.
Shit, I just give a nice little stop loss when I get in it, and I make sure it get to a real high or low before I try to hop in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't trying to hop in on the middle. I'm using a 15-minute time frame. So, let's go back to gold real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. So, like, look, I'm not gonna try to buy gold until it get down below here, or it do some crazy shit and start just diving low or something. Until it get to the zone where I want to take the trade at, I won't even try to fuck with it. Now, if it start hitting above 1850 and 1860, I'm gonna say, damn, gold is high as shit. I'm gonna start looking to sell, and then I just come in on the small time frames, the 15-minute and the 5, and see if it works, you know, and just make sure it's not like right before 10 minutes before a London session or 10 minutes before a session change, and boom, I'll usually be in and out, put my stop loss in profit, and bam. But I'm not a person that is going to habitually try to trade it or try to scalp it too much. I just wait till where it get to. I'm looking at it and I wait till where, all right, it's real high right now. It's real low right now. Okay, I'm going to sell that shit. I'm going to buy it. Because gold, the people that trade gold all day, And a lot of people, when I first got into trading Forex with IMAIL and all that type of shit, people trade gold a lot. They lose a lot of money because they overtrade that shit too much, in my opinion. Because gold always gonna do some crazy ass shit. It's always gonna bust out and do some shit. Look at how all these stop losses and shit getting hit. Look at all this shit. It does that shit all the time. Look, shit, that's motherfucking stop losses getting tore up. You feel me? And they think like, oh, then that's when you get into that overtrade and just fucking up. You know, like shit. That's why I don't just try to trade gold all the time. I just wait till it get to where I want it to be at. Like NAS or US30 or indices. Yeah, I'm trying to trade them all the time. I buy them, sell them, whatever. I'm gonna go hard on them or whatever. You feel me? And shit, if it hit my stop, it hit my stop. I just trade it so much. But with this gold, I just wait. Still, even with NAS and all that shit.
Yeah, because with gold, you gotta understand the key levels on gold. Like gold, you can't trade as how you would trade like a NAS or US30. It doesn't respect it. It doesn't respect like our method of how would trade a US30 or a NAS. It trades mainly key levels to key levels, and if you don't really like understand those key levels, then you're gonna mess up on gold for sure, for sure.
Yep. It take experience trading gold. You just trading gold as a rookie, you're gonna lose a lot of money.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I don't trade it. Shit.
Yep. All right. So overall, man, looks like US30 is bearish on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, still kind of bearish. Bearish. On the consolidating on the 1 hour. Let me see what Nas is on the larger time frames. Like I'm a Nas trader, so whatever Nas is doing, I know they're gonna be doing this. You know, yeah, Nas is high as shit. I already entered the sell on Nas, y'all. I'll tell you if I'm in profit or not. No, I'm still like around my entry point on Nas. This is like Nas is super high. It could keep pushing, but I would just expect some break off the high. You know, coming into these sessions. Like if I go to sleep right now, I bet you Nas is my stop. I bet you I should hit some kind of money. You know, if I said the 200.
Do you think you'd make the money before London Open, or do you think all the push will come at the London Open?
Sometimes, if my take profit hit before London Open or right when London Open, then I need to get out because it's gonna push back up. Usually, that's what I noticed. Like, say if my take profit hits now, right now, or right when London Open hits in the first 30 minutes, my take profit hits. My first ones or twos, I probably, unless I know the news is real bad or some shit, I need to get out because it's probably gonna shoot back up to where I need to start buying it or I need to sell it again. You know, like it ain't gonna be no smooth ride down and just hit all my take profits and I go to sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of like a false swing in a way.
Yeah, like all right, it's 12,730 right now. Then it might take me to 12. It might take me to 12,670, 12,680 if I'm lucky right now. And then at that point, I gotta watch. I gotta monitor the trade and see if is it really diving. If I'm about to go to sleep or some shit, I just need to call it quits or put my stop loss in profit where I can't lose. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because when London start, oh damn, I just lost my team on Zoom. But basically, I'll finish what I'm saying though. So here's a little thing right here. Let me see this shit. So I lost everybody, but I'm about to pull this shit up. I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so you can see the sessions down here for everybody on YouTube land. I'm trying to go back to the last London session start. All right, so look, bam, London session pops off. We get all of this. Pop, 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 pop. They go from 12,480. Just got lucky. This is right before London session. All right, so we got to look right before London session. That shit sold down, hit all the stop losses. Yeah, that's what's really real. So we trading around this time it is now. The shit was high right here, right? It sold down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Then when London session started right here, guys, that's when that buys took off, consolidated, hit some people's stop losses, and took off. So yeah, I sold. You make some money. Say if you sold anywhere from here, you got your, what is this, 12.5 to 12.470. So you only got 100 or 200 pips in there if you sold, really. You didn't get a lot. Unless you sold here at the high. Yeah, you wasn't getting a lot of pips. 100, 200 pips. But then the buy was crazy. The buy was crazy. But all right, y'all. She's subscribing on YouTube, man. I say just turn on my YouTube alerts. I'm gonna be on YouTube all the time like that. So turn on my YouTube alerts and shit. You'll know when I go live. Follow my Telegram. Follow my Twitter. Follow Instagram. But follow the Twitter and the Telegram and the YouTube. Really, if you're into trading, the Telegram is lit. So definitely keep you up to date on there. And yeah, man, fuck it. Shit, I'm about to just listen to my song Bitcoin on the way out, and I'm gonna look at Bitcoin, and then I'm out after that. So, yeah, man. I'm gonna tell y'all my analysis on Bitcoin. That's how I'm gonna end every stream, man. And yeah, man. Talk about Bitcoin, but I already know what it is, what it do. Bitcoin bullet, Bitcoin boss. You got this profit every time, never take a loss. Bitcoin band. Hey, Bitcoin boss over 100 racks, that's a fact. Bitcoin to the whole world, so hit it. Hey, yeah, hey, hey, Music on the beat. Hey, Bitcoin in my bag, yeah. Bitcoin in my stash, yeah. Bitcoin do the math, yeah. Bitcoin, you ain't got nothing to say, yeah. Bitcoin in my bag, yeah. Bitcoin in my stash, yeah. Bitcoin do the math, yeah. Bitcoin, you ain't got nothing to say, yeah. Bitcoin in my bag, yeah. Bitcoin for the cash, yeah. All right, y'all. So look, Bitcoin is high as fuck right now. It might take off on you. You know what I'm saying? But I'm bullish on Bitcoin. But if you listen to my lyrics in this song, I sell it when it's high. You feel me? So I would look to sell this shit. And we sell it when it's high. You did? I'm trying to short that Bitcoin right now. If I'm a Forex trader. Or if I'm whatever. And I'm trying to buy it around here. I got the trophy. I'm selling right now, and I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit all in here, and I'm buying when they come back below. When they get below 23,000, I start looking to buy again. feel me? And shit, you basically can say the take profit if you trying to sell is 23,000, but it's 24.6. You can take profit at 24.3, 24. You know, when the profit trying to stop you. You did? All right, man. I'm out, man. I'll holler at y'all later, man. I gave y'all a solid hour, so we out.